guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Lenovo Thinkpad docking station that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Lenovo Lenovo Thinkpad USB-C Dock Gen 2 40AS0090 US. Lenovo Thinkpad USB-C Dock Gen 2 40AS0090 US is a versatile docking station designed to perfectly balance the productivity demands of today's professionals. A streamlined, powerful hub for your Lenovo laptop, it offers an impressive array of features to deliver an unrivaled work experience. Starting with port selection, the Lenovo Thinkpad USB-C Dock Gen 2 provides a full range of connectivity options. It features 3 USB 3.1 ports and 2 USB 2.0 ports, giving you ample options for connecting a variety of peripherals, from keyboards and mice to external hard drives. Whether you're working on a presentation or moving large files around, the fast USB 3.1 transfer speeds will greatly enhance your productivity. In addition, the dock's combined audio jack ensures compatibility with a wide range of audio devices. For professionals who rely on the stability and speed of a wired internet connection, the docking station is equipped with a gigabit Ethernet port. This provides a high-speed, low-latency internet connection. When it comes to display capabilities, the Lenovo Thinkpad USB-C Dock Gen 2 really shines. Equipped with one HDMI input and 2 DisplayPort inputs, it supports up to 3 external monitors. This feature offers the flexibility to greatly expand your visual workspace. Although the dock supports DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI 2.0 with a maximum resolution of 1x 4K at 60 Hz, please note that the actual video resolution will depend on your system's capabilities. The Thinkpad USB-C Dock Gen 2 comes with a 90W AC adapter, power cord, and USB-C cable. This means you have everything you need to set up the dock right away, without any additional purchases. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Plugable USB 3.0 Dual Horizontal Docking Station, UD6950H. Plugable USB 3.0 Dual Horizontal Docking Station, UD6950H, is the perfect combination of versatility, innovation and performance. A key feature of the UD6950H is its expandability. It is equipped with a wide range of ports, including 6 USB 3.0 ports, gigabit Ethernet, and audio I/O. These connectivity options allow you to add a variety of peripherals, ensuring that you have all the tools you need for an efficient workflow. Additionally, this docking station supports 2 4K displays via HDMI or DisplayPort, providing a large and clear workspace that can greatly enhance productivity. Notably, the UD6950H supports the most common resolutions, including 3840 by 1080, 2560 by 1440 and 1080p, providing flexibility and adaptability. In terms of compatibility, the UD6950H is a universal docking station that supports modern Windows, Mac and Chrome OS systems. It requires USB 3.0 Type A or Type C ports and the DisplayLink USB graphics driver installed. However, compatibility extends to Windows 11, 10, 8, X, and 7, Mac OS 10.14 Plus, with the driver installed, and Chrome OS 100. X or later. Although the UD6950H is packed with features and a high degree of compatibility, it is important to note that it does not charge the computer it is connected to. Therefore, users should have a separate power supply for their laptops. In addition, its optimal use is for web and productivity applications, and it is not recommended for gaming, video playback, or 2D, 3D graphics. All in all, the USB 3.0 Dual Horizontal Docking Station, UD6950H, is a reliable and feature-rich solution that can greatly enhance your working experience. At number 3, we have the Lenovo Thinkpad Thunderbolt 3 Dock Gen 2 40AN0135 US. Lenovo Thinkpad Thunderbolt 3 Dock Gen 2, 40AN0135 US. Stands as a formidable addition to any productivity-focused setup, offering a broad selection of ports, impressive compatibility, and Thunderbolt 3 technology for top-notch performance. When it comes to port selection, the Dock Gen 2 truly excels. It features 2 HDMI ports, 2 DisplayPort inputs, and a Thunderbolt 3 Gen 2 port for versatile display connectivity. This docking station makes it easy to create a multi-monitor setup, whether you need a dual-screen setup for improved multitasking or a single 4K display for crisp, high-resolution visuals. The device doesn't stop at display ports. It also offers diverse options for device connectivity. The docking station has a USB-C port that's Thunderbolt 3 compatible, 4 USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports for rapid data transfers, and a USB 3.1 Gen 2 port with always-on charging. This feature is especially handy for charging your smartphone or other USB devices, even when your laptop is not docked. Additional features include an RJ45 Ethernet port for reliable, high-speed wired internet connections, an audio connector, 3.5mm, for headphones or speakers, and a security lock slot for physical security, lock sold separately. The Dock Gen 2 supports Microsoft Windows 7 and 10 operating systems, offering a wide range of compatibility with various Lenovo Thinkpad models such as E490S, L480, P51S, P52S, T470, T480, T480S, T570, T580, X 2nd Gen, X1 Yoga 2nd Gen, X1 Yoga 3rd Gen, and X280. At number 2, we have the Lenovo Thinkpad Ultra Docking Station, 40AJ0135 US. Lenovo Thinkpad Ultra Docking Station, 40AJ0135 US, is the epitome of sophisticated design and advanced technology, offering a powerful docking solution specifically designed for enterprise use. It is specifically designed for ThinkPad laptops, offering a range of convenient and secure connection options. One of the features of this docking station is its innovative side connector, which minimizes desktop space and offers a driverless way to connect a variety of USB accessories and external displays. The dock also supports ThinkPad Rapid Charge and features a mirrored power button for easy unlocking. In addition, the Ultra Docking Station is ready to meet the demands of today's dynamic office workflow with 10 gigabits per second data transfer through 4 USB 3.1 ports. You can connect up to 3 UHD displays to enhance productivity. The docking station is compatible with the 2018 ThinkPad T, L, X, and X1 series laptops. For added security, the docking station is equipped with an optional master key lock. The docking station has one HDMI port, 2 DisplayPort 1.4 ports, 1 HDMI 2.0 port, 1 VGA port, 1 stereo, microphone combo audio port, 1 DC input. It supports up to 3 monitors for maximum performance. While the ThinkPad Ultra Docking Station offers impressive features, remember to check compatibility with your Lenovo model. Compatible models include ThinkPad A485, L480, L580, P52S, T480, T480S, T580, X1 Carbon 20 kg, 20 kh, X280. And finally at number 1, we have the Plugable Universal Laptop Docking Station, UD3900. The Plugable Universal Laptop Docking Station, UD3900, is a practical and versatile solution for anyone looking to extend the capabilities of their workstation. This docking station combines both flexibility and expandability to deliver a superior user experience. One of the key selling points of this docking station is its flexible expandability. Thanks to its hybrid 2-in-1 USB 3.0 and USB-C cable, a single connection to your PC provides dual video outputs, wired gigabit Ethernet, 3.5mm headphone and microphone jacks, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and 4 USB 2.0 ports. This vast selection of ports allows you to connect a wide array of peripherals, enhancing the functionality of your workspace. When it comes to display support, the UD3900 can handle dual HDMI displays up to 1920 by 1200 at a 60 Hz refresh rate. If you use a single HDMI display, it can even support up to 2560 by 1440 at 50 Hz. The second output is versatile and can support HDMI, DVI, or VGA display with the included adapter. In terms of compatibility, the Plugable UD3900 shines. It's a truly universal laptop docking station, compatible with Windows 11, 10, 8, X and 7, macOS 10.14 or later, and Chrome OS 100 or later. However, it's important to note that the docking station does not charge the host PC, so you'll need to keep your laptop's charger handy. While this docking station provides great value, it's important to note that it's optimized for use with web and productivity software. It's not recommended for gaming or other graphic-intensive tasks. Also, it doesn't support some non-DisplayLink adapters, DisplayPort connections, and HDCP, meaning it won't play back encrypted or copy-protected content.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.